Hello student, good morning to all. I am Rahul Sharma from LPM School, Golagorpur. I am going to take lecture of 12th class. As you know, this is your physics period. Unit electrostatics is going on. This unit we have to discuss about the chapter electric charge and electric field. So, yesterday I have discussed about the topic torque. Torque acting on a dipole in a uniform electric field. So today I am going to discuss about numerical based on electric dipole and torque acting on it. So as you know, torque, the formula of torque equal to P sin theta. This is the formula for torque. We have tried this formula in our previous video. And in exam, the question will ask that write the vector form of this torque. So this is also important in 1 marks objective questions. So it is very important you have to know about the vector form of this torque. So that you have to write tau equal to P cross P. This is the vector form. If write tau equal to E cross P, that is wrong. That is wrong. This is right. Because as you know, dot product is solo commutative. A dot B equal to B dot A, but A cross B is not equal to B cross A. It means cross product is not follow the commutative law, but dot product follow the commutative law. So you have to know this is vector form. Okay, so this is right, this is wrong. So this is very important for 1 marks. Now I am going to solve the numerical. As you can see, an electric dipole, this is an electric dipole, is placed at an angle 30 degree with theta equal to 30 degree. You can write values theta equal to 30 degree with an electric field intensity E equal to 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton upon Coulomb. This is the value of electric field intensity. It experiences a torque equal to the value of torque equal to 4 Newton meter is given. Torque equal to Newton meter. The charge on the dipole, if it means we have to find the charge. If the dipole length is 2 cm, dipole length, as we know in our derivation, the length of dipole 12 equal to 2 cm. This is the length of dipole. You can assume that this is equal to L, capital L. So L equal to 2 cm. As you can see, intensity in Newton upon Coulomb, torque in Newton meter. It means the value of intensity and torque is given in MK system. So before solve your numerical, you have to convert all units in MK system. So this is equal to 2 centimeter and 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. This is the length of dipole. And we have to find what is charge. The value of charge on dipole. Dipole is combination of two charges. One is negative, another is positive. Same but opposite. Separated by a small distance. So now you can take the formula. The value, you have written this. So torque tau equal to Pe sin theta. As you know, tau equal to P cross P. This is the vector form, and the vector equal to Pe sin theta. This is the magnitude of this value, and this is the magnitude of torque. So you have to find charge. This P pole electric dipole moment is given in your formula, but you have to find what is charge. So you can find first your dipole, after that you can find your length. So let the value of torque is given 4 Newton meter. P and E equal to 2 into 10 to the power 5 and sin 30. Sin 30. Angle is sin 30. So 4 equal to P into 2 into 10 to the power 5. And value of sin 30, the value of sin 30 is 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2, 2 cancelled by 2. So P equal to 4 upon 10 to the power minus 5. Or you can say P equal to 4 into 10 to the power 5 Coulomb meter. This is the value of electric dipole moment, and you have to find the value of charge. We have to find the value of charge. So now we can use the formula Q equal to P equal to 2QL, or you can write P equal to Q into L. Because 12 equal to 12, it is Q into 12, so 12 is equal to L. So Q equal to P upon L. It is P upon L. So by putting the value of P, value of P is Q equal to P equal to 4 into 10 to the power 5. 4 equal to 10 to the power 5. So let me check your tau equal to P sin 30. Tau equal to 4 and P equal to, it is E equal to 2 into 10 to the power 5, not equal to minus 5. So this is 5 and sin 30. So E is equal to E into 2 into and 5, 1 upon 2, you cancel by 2. So P is equal to 4 upon 10 to the power 5. So this is 4 into 10 to the power minus 5. It is not plus 5, this is minus 5. So I hope you understand. You have to write -5, not +5. So you have to focus on your solution. So P is equal to 4 into 10 to the power -5, because the value of electric dipole moment is quite small, because a dipole is consist small length and the charges is also equal in range of microcoulomb. So the value of electric dipole moment in most of cases is very small. So you have to check your calculation. The value of P is small. If the high power of P is find in your answer, so you have to check your question. There may be any calculation mistake. So P equal to 4 into 10 to the power -5 coulomb meter. So as you know, P equal to QL, L equal to 2L. So by putting value, Q is equal to P upon L. So P is equal to 4 into 10 to the power -5 upon L. What is L? Or L is 2 into 10 to the power -2. So now Q is equal to 2 into 10 to the power -3. 2 into 10 to the power -3. That is coulomb. And you can write this 2 millicoulomb. So in your option, 8 millicoulomb, 2 millicoulomb, 5 millicoulomb and 7 microcoulomb. So these are options. As you can see, 8 milli, 2 milli, 5 milli, micro. It means charge is quite small. And for a ideal dipole, the distance is also quite small. So it means the electric dipole moment is also quite small. So that's why if value of P is become larger, then you have to check your answer. So right option is B, 2 millicoulomb is your charge. So I hope you understand about how to solve numerical, this type of numerical. Now we have to solve another numerical. This is another numerical as same our previous numerical. In this question we have to find what is electric dipole moment. An electric dipole is placed at an angle 30 degree. Angle is same, 30 degree, with an electric field intensity 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton upon Coulomb. This is also same. It experiences a torque equal to 8 Newton centimeter. The value of torque is different. Find dipole moment. We have to find dipole moment and also find charge on dipole if length of dipole is 10 centimeter. Okay, so the same formula, tau equal to PE sin theta. You can use direct this formula. Tau is equal to P cross E, then PE sin theta. This is the method. So when you given, you can write your value. Theta is equal to 30 degree. Tau equal to 80 Newton centimeter, and E equal to 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton upon Coulomb. Then we have to find what is P and then Q. Okay, so tau equal to 8 Newton centimeter. So this is 80 and E is 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton upon Coulomb. So Newton equal to, as you know, Newton equal to this unit of force, F equal to ma. So kg meter second minus 2. So Newton equal to kg meter second minus 2. So meter quantity is used. It means this is equal to kg meter second minus 2 upon Coulomb. But the torque is Newton centimeter. So it means you have to convert your torque before putting in the form. So this is equal to 80 into 10 to the power minus 2. 80 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton meter. 80 into 10 to the power minus 2. Because to convert centimeter to meter, you have to multiply 10 to the power minus 2. You can divide by 100 or you can multiply 10 to the power minus 2. So 80 into 10 to the power minus 2. P we have to find, and P is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 5 and sin 30. So 80 10 to the power minus 2. P 2 into 10 to the power 5 and 1 upon 2. 2 cancelled by 2. So P equal to 80 into 10 to the power minus 2 upon 10 to the power 5. Okay, 80 into 10 to the power minus 2 upon 10 to the power 5. So P equal to 80 into 10 to the power minus 2 minus 5. So P is equal to 80 into 10 to the power minus 7. You can write P is equal to 8 10 to the power minus 6. Or P is equal to 0.8 10 to the power minus 5. And this is equal to Coulomb meter. 10 to the minus 7, and you multiply by 10 and divide by 10, this becomes 10 to the minus 6. And when you 80 divided by 10, 8 again 10 to the minus 6, and you divide and multiply by 10. So 0.8 10 to the power minus 5 Coulomb meter. Now we have to find Q. So as you know, P is equal to Q into 12. So P is equal to Q into L. That 12 equal to L. So Q is equal to P upon L. So P is 0.8 10 to the power minus 5 and L is 10 centimeter. So L equal to 10 centimeter. It means 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. 10 to the power minus 2. Okay. And this will become 0.8 10 to the power minus 5 upon 10 to the power minus 5. because this is 10, you can write plus 1. So 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. Okay, so this is equal to 0.8 10 to the power minus 5 plus 1. So 0.8 10 to the power minus 4. 0.8 into 10 to the power minus 4. And you can write this a 80 into 10 to the power minus 3. Can you write this? When you multiply 0.8 10 to the power minus 4, 0.8 divided by 10 and multiply by 10. So this is would become 10 to the power minus 4 plus 1. So 10 to the power minus 3. And this will become 0.08. So it is not 80. This is equal to 0.08. So you have to know all these values. Okay? So I hope you understood. 0.8 10 to the power minus 4. You can write 0.08 10 to the power minus 3. Multiply by 10 and divide by 10 and multiply 10 10 to the power minus 3 and 0.8 divided by 10 0.08. So this is equal to 0.08 milli coulomb. This is your answer. So I hope you understand how to solve this type of numerical. More numerical I will explain in my next video. Okay, thank you very much.